Neil was drinking coffee habang inaantay lang na pumila sa bus, and while doing so was watching this video by CoffeeZilla. Yes, so pagdating nung bus namin, umupo kagad dito sa may likod and we were on our way. Mula doon, we went northbound at pagdating dito sa may Skyway, magaan ang daan at papunta dito sa may pa-norte, traffic was very light. Nakakatawa nga din, nakikita mo na unti-unting lumalawak ang mga daan. Yes sir, napakaganda ng view. Right, so ngayon pagdating namin dito sa may pa-exit ng Clark, Tuman ng Pampanga, papunta dito sa may pa La Union. Yes, we are so close. It's my first time to go here, so I'm pretty excited to see what's in store. Pagbaba ko dito sa may malapit sa SM, nilakad ko lang papunta sa Carlatan. Trying to take it all in, pumasok sa accommodation at pagkatapos nun,